If you're looking to organize your workflows and streamline your processes, Process.st is the tool you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to get the most out of it to optimize your team's efficiency. Whether you're running a small business or managing complex workflows, Process.st can help you build and organize your processes like never before. Stick around until the end, because I'm also going to show you how you can get started completely free with some exclusive bonuses that'll help you dive in right away. First things first, when you log into Process.st, the key to organizing your workflows is creating processes. These are essentially templates for repeatable tasks that you can standardize across your business. You can start by using one of the pre-built templates Process.st offers, or if you prefer, you can build your own from scratch. Either way, the goal is to map out all the steps needed for a particular task and make sure everything is documented. Now let's talk about how you can create an organized, effective process. Each process in Process.st is made up of individual tasks, and each task can include things like checkboxes, text fields, file uploads, or even due dates. When you're building out your process, start by breaking it down into logical steps. You can add descriptions or instructions for each task so that every team member knows exactly what's expected. One of the biggest advantages of Process.st is its ability to automate. For example, you can set up triggers that will automatically move tasks to the next stage, or assign specific people to different steps based on preset conditions. This level of automation is crucial for keeping things moving smoothly and avoiding bottlenecks in your workflows. Another powerful feature is the ability to assign tasks to different team members. When you're working with a team, it's essential to ensure that everyone knows what they're responsible for. With Process.st, you can assign individual tasks to team members, and they'll get notified when it's their turn to work on something. This helps keep your workflows organized and makes it easy to track progress. Let's not forget about the approval workflows. Process.st makes it simple to set up processes that require approval before moving on to the next step. This ensures that every task is reviewed and approved by the right person before proceeding. Whether you're managing a client project or an internal process, having an approval step can add a layer of accountability and quality control. For teams with more complex needs, Process.st offers integrations with other tools. Whether you're using Slack, Zapier, or even Google Drive, you can connect these tools to your workflows to automate actions and centralize everything. It's perfect for keeping all your tools in sync and saving time on manual work. And here's a pro tip. Use the recurring task feature. If you have tasks that need to be completed on a regular basis, like weekly reports or monthly audits, you can set them to recur at your chosen frequency. This is a fantastic way to ensure consistency across your workflows without the need for manual input each time. Before we wrap up, if you're new to Process.st and wondering how to get started, I want to remind you that you can try it for free through the first link in the description below. That's right, you can test out all of these features, plus get some exclusive bonuses, so you're set up to organize your workflows from day one. You don't need to wait to take control of your processes. Start organizing your workflows in Process.st today and see just how efficient your team can become. So there you have it. With Process.st, you can build detailed workflows, automate tasks, assign responsibility, and integrate with your favorite tools. Don't forget to grab that exclusive extended free trial through the link below. Thanks for watching and good luck organizing your workflows.